thing. You had mentioned Papa had taught us about woodworking, and I even remember the first time he Devin, me, and Papa were out in his garage, and we made, I think it was a frame for one of the pictures we got in Vegas. And you can turn that into a business. I know, like, I forget if it was last year or the year before, but a couple years ago, I had made you a gun from, I went in the basement and accidentally used our spare stair, but but I had turned that into a little wooden gun that I thought was really cool, and I gave it to you as a Christmas present. And I know that one of the friends that was in my scout troop, he makes, I think it was tables and stuff out of wood, and he sells that, and I'm pretty sure he makes pretty good money from doing that.
Hey,
But
Ethan,
he
do you know
just,
anybody else that has a cool woodworking business that I don't know has
Did
done some
you
cool work?
know your mom and I had one?
I did not.
Grandpa Jerry was so good at just minute detail, perfect stuff. Papa did a lot of picture frames, but he was really better at the big stuff. I think I got the I can build a house from him. And Jerry was I can build a cabinet, which is very intricate and complex. He always sold stuff at craft shows, which was one of mom and I's first dates.
Speaking about the woodworking businesses, another person who has made a successful woodworking business, like Devin was talking about, was the main character in my book, The Treehouse, who just does turns what he loves, where he also made small little things and gifts out of wood, and he ends up turning that into a business and building a treehouse to spend time with his friends in.
Where did Darius get the wood to build his treehouse in the book The Treehouse by Ethan Woolman?
He got that wood from it was just scrap wood from a construction site that other people were going to throw away.
Ethan, where do you think Darius got the idea to use scrap wood? You should have seen we made picture frames out of scrap wood we had left over building the warehouse. We were so broke when we took over that rundown warehouse and turned it into a home. We rented a little teeny booth at the itty bitty mini mart. Was that the name of it?
The itty bitty mini mall.
Wow. Dinky little flea market. And my mom had a booth in there. I think she let us put a couple of things in, and then we rented our own booth. It was like $35 a month, but all we had to do was put stuff in there, and then if they sold it, they gave us all the money, or maybe they kept a small percentage. It didn't matter. We didn't have to work it. We just had to keep it filled with woodwork, and they sold everything for us.